Hello, students. Hope you are doing well. So here we have another question from the same text, and the direction for questions is what? Answer the following questions based on the information given below. So we have a text uh, that we understood. It tells about general medicine, and it also discusses about that how medical science highlighted several pervasive concerns. Uh, Not only medical science, it's a contemporary medical science highlighting several pervasive concerns. And what are they? We discussed in the um, previous part. Let's move to the um, let's move to the question and try to understand what this question is all about. So the question stated, all of the following can be inferred from the passage except, right? So it is an except based question. So please look at the this particular word, keyword, which is very important because when you talk about except, it indicates about what you need to do. You need to see that what all the options which are inference based, but one option is there which is made, which is not the inference, maybe a kind of a irrelevant option, not relate to the text. So let's look at it. So the question asks us to identify which statement cannot be inferred uh, from the passage. In other words, three of the statements should logically follow from the information provided in the passage, while one doesn't. Let's look at the choice. The first choice stated that pharmaceutical focus on profitability, right? So pharmaceutical focus focus on what? Profitability. So often leads to prioritization of over-the-counter drugs over more urgently needed medical research. Now, if you see that the statement suggests that the pharmaceutical industry prioritizes or giving importance to what? Over-the-counter drugs instead of more urgent research due to what? Due to profit motives, isn't it? Due to profit motives. So this idea aligns with the passage critique of the industry's profit-driven nature. So in that case, this could be called as a kind of an inference from the text, isn't it? Profit-driven. Then second one, if you talk about the second choice, gentle medicine involves advocating for less aggressive treatment approaches and realigning research priorities to better address public health needs. Okay, so this statement implies that gentle medicine what advocates or favors for less aggressive treatment and a shift in research priorities to focus on public health. So you can also consider that this aligns with the passage proposal for gentle medicine as a solution to current medical issues. Then third one, which is stated about effective patient care, would benefit from managing patient expectations and reducing the tendency towards unnecessary medical intervention. Now, this statement suggests that effective patient care would benefit from the managing patient expectation and reducing unnecessary intervention, which is you can say that consistent with the passage discussion on the need for a less interventionist approach, right? So in that case, we can find out also option one, two, three, all are inference based. Look at the option four. So it is stated randomized trials and meta-analysis are though not reliable but are practiced across the geographies. So it means randomized trials and meta-analysis. So this statement suggests that these research methods, though criticized, are still practiced widely across different areas. Um, the passage criticizes these methods for uh, being unreliable and you can say that manipulated. So, but it doesn't specifically mention that geographic spread or universal practice. So, in that case, we can say option four cannot be inference based option. Option four is not supported here by the passage because the passage critiques the reliability reliability So of randomized trials and meta-analysis, but doesn't mention their uses across different geographies, isn't it? Geographies. So um, the passage focuses on the issues with these methods, not on where or how widely they are used. So in that case, option 1, 2, and 3 are consistent with the idea presented in the passage and can be inferred from the text. Option 4 is the correct answer as it cannot be inferred, right? Inferred from the passage. Okay, and because of the region called as a geographic, right? So um, it doesn't mention where or how widely they are used. Therefore, we can point out the answer 4 will be the correct answer. Hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you.